Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Tech Basics. In this video, we are going to be learning how to use Discord on laptop. If you are a beginner and you'd like to learn how you can get started with Discord and use it on your laptop, then this video is for you. Discord is a popular communication platform designed for gamers but widely used by various communities for chatting, voice calls, and more. Step 1. Visit the official website for Discord. In order to use Discord and get started with it, you'll first need to open a web browser on your laptop. Now go to the URL box and type in discord.com. Press enter on your keyboard to end up in the official website for Discord. Step 2. Download the desktop app. Once you end up in the official site for Discord, click on Download for Windows option. This will then start downloading the Discord setup file at the top right corner of your web browser. Once the file has been downloaded, click on Open File. Step 3. Install Discord application on your laptop. Soon after you open up the file, it'll then check for available updates and install your Discord application on your laptop. Simply follow through the prompts and you will be able to see your Discord shortcut available on your desktop. After the installation is completed, your Discord application will open up on your screen. Now, as soon as you see this interface, you will now need to go ahead and sign up for an account or log into an existing account. Step 4. Sign up or log in. If you don't have an account yet for Discord, you will need to click on the register button. Enter your email address, a display name for yourself, your username, and the password you would like to set for your account. After entering all of the information, select your date of birth from the drop-down and then click on Continue. Follow through the prompts and you will be able to create a new Discord account. For existing account holders, you will need to log in to your Discord account by entering your email or your phone number inside the login page. Make sure to type in your information correct and it must be associated with your Discord account. Once you are done entering the email, go to the next field and type in your password associated with your Discord account. If you don't remember your password for your Discord account, get help by clicking on Forgot Your Password and follow through the instructions. After typing in your credential, click on Login and you will then be able to log into your Discord account. You can also use the Login with QR code option displayed on the right. Scan the QR code displayed on the screen with the help of your Discord mobile app and you will be able to log in instantly. Soon after you do that, you will then be able to see yourself in the main homepage of Discord. Step 5. Create or join servers. Discord organizes communication into servers, which are like community hubs. You can either create your own server or join existing one. To create a server, click on the plus button on the left-hand side of your main home screen for Discord. Now, create your own server by selecting the first option, or you can also start from a template. Select what for you are trying to create the server. On the next page, you can upload a picture for your server by clicking on this upload button and selecting a picture from your library. Right where it says server name, give your server a name. After you are done entering a server's name, click on Create and you will be able to create a new server. To join into a server, you will need an invitation link from someone already in the server. Click on the Join a Server button and enter the link in the text box where it says Invite Link and click on Join Server if you want to join to an existing server. Step 6. Navigating the interface. The left-hand side is packed with the display of your servers and direct message conversation. The main window shows the selected server or conversation where you can chat, voice call, or engage in other activities. Step 7. Chatting. To send messages on Discord, simply go ahead and select a text channel. You can select it from within your server or start a new direct message conversation with a user. Once you open up a conversation page, you can now enter your message in the text box at the bottom. Invite your friends to your server so that you can get started and chat with them. Click on Invite your friends and then share your invitation link to your friends you want to invite inside your server. Once people start joining in, you can now go ahead and chat with them from this page. Step 8. Voice calls. Discord supports voice call both in servers and through direct messages. To start voice call, you will first need to click on a voice channel with a server or start a direct call with a user. But before that, you will need to add a voice channel to your server. Simply go to your server and then click on the Create Channel button that indicates with a plus. Now select Voice option in the pop-up, enter the voice channel's name. Select if you'd like to keep this channel private or public and click on Create Channel. Soon after you do that, you will be able to add a voice channel. Select the voice channel and then you will be able to start a direct call with a user. Of course, you can also invite more people on your voice call by clicking on Invite Friends and sharing your invitation link with them. Step 9. Customize settings. If you want to adjust your notification preference, appearance settings, keybinds, and more on your Discord account, then you can go ahead and click on the gear button or the user settings button appearing at the bottom left corner. Doing this will bring you up to your user settings, payment settings, app settings, and other settings options. Simply go ahead and explore your Discord settings to customize your experience. Once you are set up, you can now start chatting, gaming, or collaborating with others through Discord. So that was how you can easily start using Discord as a beginner on your laptop. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press on the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.